speed is a very good ad that would give the right direction about the DM preparation. So I subscribed to speed at a good set of notes, and I've revised that like 1 or 2 times. Did a lot of questions, MCQs. I followed classes are amazing, and I revised. I did a lot of previous year questions, sir, and also guidelines. So this is what I did, sir.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Aswathy Sabu for scoring a very good rank of 24 in DM Pulmonary Medicine Group, Critical Care and Sleep Medicine in NEET April 2026. Congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Great doctor to have you. And also, we want to know your brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done.
Definitely, sir. I am Dr. Aswathy Sabu. I have done my MBBS from Government Medical College, Kottayam, Kerala. And then I did my MD from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh. And then I just passed out in January 2026. And then this is my second attempt in INISS. And now I got this rank.
Very nice. Very nice. When you said Kottayam, from Kottayam Medical College, I
Yes,
have
sir.
a very, very fond memory of that. You know why? I am into the journey of training students for PG entrance examination, Super Speciality entrance examination for past 25 years.
Yes, sir.
But all this seed started from Kottayam Medical College because I was a student who attended a coaching in Kottayam Medical College by alumni.
Uh-huh.
Kottayam Medical, you know, Kottayam Medical College as alumni.
Yeah, I know. Definitely.
At that point of time, our teachers who were
Yes, sir.
running the sessions were Dr. P.T. Thomas.
Uh-huh.
He's a surgeon.
Yes, sir.
P.T. Thomas, Dr. Ravi, and Dr. Sibu George.
Sibu, sir. Yes.
Sibu. So these were our known faces and faculties who were running. This was in the year 2000.
Oh, okay.
So I attended coaching myself along with my friends from Chennai
Okay.
in Kottayam Medical College alumni. And after I finished there, I got general surgery. Then there was coaching at that point of time in Chennai. So
Uh-huh.
I joined my first year PG and I started the coaching center called Speed.
Oh, nice.
So the idea of doing this itself started after I did from Kottayam. So whatever I am today, whatever the Speed is today, it owes to all the faculty members of alumni of Kottayam Medical College.
That's so, that was a very nice gesture, sir.
Yeah.
I'm also really happy to hear that story. And so I have very good fond memories from Kottayam Medical College. Yeah, I'm a very proud student.
Yeah. There's no classes of that. There's no Speed today. That's the fact. That's the truth.
Thankful to that.
So that is what it is. And because we followed the principles of teaching of Kottayam Medical College and alumni of Kottayam and the alumni of Trichy also.
Yes,
They were not business models. They were passionate to educate the students. They are not into business.
Right.
They do give cost to what is the basic, even below the basic charges for students to get educated. They did with passion and emotion. The same culture we followed in Speed also. So that's the reason why I said it's a seed of that. So, and I have a lot of memories. I have been there in Kottayam for 1 year. I stayed there in Kottayam. It's a very beautiful place.
Yes, sir.
So, and you are from Kottayam Medical College. The minute you said, I think I went back to my fond memories 25 years back.
Yes, sir.
You are very, very great student of Kottayam Medical College.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Convey my regards.
Yes, sir. Definitely. I will convey to faculty, sir.
To all of them. I want to see some time, but I'm finding time. If I could have an opportunity to meet all of them, it'd be something which is very great.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Yeah.
So what inspired you to do DM Pulmonary Medicine, Critical Care and Sleep Medicine? What is that? I mean, why you want to do that? Because DM Pulmonology itself, MD Pulmonology itself is an end specialty. What more you want to do that inspired you to move on?
Yes, sir. So pulmonary medicine, sir, when the moment I got into this department, I understood that it's a very beautiful specialty. It caters to any need of yours. Like if you are a person who want a chill and a calm life, more like want to take care of your family, etc., go for OPD duties and there is sleep medicine, etc. But if you are that kind of a person who like the adrenaline rush, that feeling of instant gratification, etc., there is ICU. Then there are bronchoscopy, and if you want a certain kind of a feeling, then you can do bronchoscopic procedures under general anesthesia. Yeah, so and also the sleep medicine is also a very emerging field, sir. And as an MD resident, I I also had the blessing of working in a very beautiful institute of Only Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, which is a very calm place, and also academically it is one of the top-notch institutes, especially for MD, sir. So I had the opportunity of exposure in ICU, bronchoscopies, etc. But more advanced levels like the sleep medicine, the intervention more in depth, like more advanced procedures and all. I think there would be more exposure in my DM career.
Very nice, very nice. So once you decided to do a DM
Mhm.
pulmonary super specialty,
Yes, sir.
what you did, what all you did to achieve, and what is your working strategy? Can you share something on
Yes,
that?
sir. Sir, my seniors were the ones who recommended Speed App to me, and because we have got both MD as well as DM uh, course in my institute, I don't need to go here and there for opinions and what to do for the next DM preparation. So they were the ones who have already cracked and got the top 10 ranks, etc. So they told that Speed is a very good app that would give the right direction. Um, about the DM preparation. So I subscribed to Speed in I think March 2025, and till my final year exams got over, I had a good set of notes, and I've revised that like one or two times, and I passed my MD in. I completed my MD in January, and in the first session I couldn't do well, sir. Mainly, and I didn't get qualified for the interview, and this was because I must say, my the where I got floored was I didn't do a lot of questions. The MCQ practice being the cornerstone of this, I didn't do it much. So once the course got over, I came back home in the comforts of my house. I started preparing again, and now this time I did a lot of questions, MCQs. I followed Saurav sir, and their classes are amazing. And I revised. I did a lot of previous year questions, sir, and also guidelines. A lot of guidelines were missing from my last year's preparation, and I tried to fill those gaps. So this is what I did, sir.
Very nice, very nice, excellent. Doctor, what
Yes.
is your advice for the future aspirants of DM pulmonary medicine group?
Sir, uh, this is just one. It is just your decision whether you need to do the DM or not. And if you wish to pursue that, a right direction is very important. I would say Speed is a very good app that would cater to your need of that kind, because I also would like to take this moment to thank Saurav sir, Arjun sir, Pradeep sir, etc. Especially because just before the exam, he took a rapid revision of all the new updates that have come in pulmonary medicine. Entire all the major topics we have taken again, and so just wherever you are at this moment, even if you haven't cracked this exam, just try again. It's not something very big. You can also look into Vinay Center search videos. I used to follow you. I used to watch your videos, sir. Your life in itself is also very inspiring. Yeah, and you can watch all the toppers interviews. This is not a very big thing. You can try again if you want to.
Great. Time to thank on whom all you want to thank that you feel that they helped you from day one till date in the career. You can use this platform to thank everybody.
Yes, sir. First of all, I wish to thank God Almighty, because last time I didn't crack, but I had the blessing of staying in my home for the last few months, which is something in my medical career. This is something rare to get at the peace of your home. And then I wish to thank my parents and my sister, and then my family, whole family, and my friends, Dr. Yashin, Srijaman, Abhishek, Aishwarya, Ritwik, Ashna. I've got a lot of people to thank. And also, I take this opportunity to thank all the faculties of Speed App, all the faculties of my AIMS Rishikesh, and KMC also.
Fantastic. Great. We once again, on behalf of team of Speed and all the faculty of Speed, and also from Pulmonology team,
Yes.
we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great, wonderful, and amazing, fabulous career in DM pulmonary medicine, critical care, and sleep medicine to you. Best wishes to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor. Bye-bye.